Hi everyone, I'm Emily, the tech girl next door. Today we are covering one of the most important topics for the CompTIA A Core 2 exam: maintaining Windows. Most Windows problems happen because the system has not been maintained. A well-maintained computer runs faster, stays healthier, and gives you fewer headaches. The top 4 Windows settings you should always check are Windows Update, antivirus protection, network security type, and backup status. Backing up your data is essential. Remember the 3-2-1 backup rule. 3 copies of your data, 2 types of storage, and 1 copy stored off-site. Windows offers file history for user files and backup and restore for full system images. A system image is the complete copy of your Windows installation, apps, and settings. Turn on system protection so Windows can create restore points automatically. If something goes wrong, you can return your system to an earlier working state. Use disk cleanup to remove temporary files and unnecessary data. If you see the Windows.old folder, deleting it can free up a lot of space. HDDs benefit from defragmentation, and SSDs benefit from trimming. Windows usually handles this automatically, but it is good to check it sometimes. In disk management, you can create partitions, extend volumes, shrink volumes, and prepare new hard drives. This tool is very important for troubleshooting and for the A exam. Learn the important command line tools like dir, cd, copy, xcopy, robocopy, checkdisk, format, diskpart, and shutdown. These commands appear often on the CompTIA A Core 2 exam. Thanks for learning with me today. I'm Emily, the tech girl next door, and I will see you in the next IT study video.